In this video, we will introduce 5 effective tips that you can follow to make your body look bigger and more muscular. Keep watching this video on parshealthhtv if you want to learn these tips. Tip 1. Focus on your shoulders and upper back. The first step to looking more muscular is knowing which muscle groups work the most to maximize your overall muscular appearance. While each muscle in the body plays a unique role in supporting the entire body, no muscle should be ignored or taken for an afterthought. A well-developed set of shoulders and trapezius usually have the most dramatic effect in giving you that wide, jacked look. When it comes to shoulder training, the most important areas to strengthen are the sides and back of the head. These two heads are located on the sides and back of the shoulders and are responsible for the cap 3D deltoid look. 3 of the best exercises to specifically work this area are lateral raises, isolates your lateral head, rear delt flies, isolates your posterior head, and face pulls, hits both your lateral and posterior heads. Upright rows can also be added as an option if you want to add more variety and volume to your shoulder workout. Be sure to do them carefully and correctly, as they can stress the shoulder joint if done incorrectly. To stay up to date with our latest videos, make sure to subscribe and press the notification bell button to get some interesting stuff and upcoming videos. Tip 2. Make a thicker neck. Another muscle group that most people don't even consider but will go a long way in helping you look bigger in your shirt is a thicker neck. You can have the most muscular chest, arms, and shoulders, but if they are under a very thin neck, it can really detract from your strong, muscular look. If you include heavy deadlifts or rack pulls and some basic shrugs in your program, this will usually only increase the size of your neck, and direct neck training may not be required. But if your neck is still lagging, or you just want to hone it more thoroughly, some straight isolation work can go a long way. Neck curls, neck extensions, and lateral neck curls are good ways to work the neck muscles from all angles. These can be performed lying on a bench and using weight plates to increase resistance or a neck strap if available. If you plan to include some straight neck exercises in your program, warm up properly beforehand and start with very light weights and slowly increase the weight and reps over time. Tip 3. Strengthen the triceps long head. The last area that sometimes ends up being undertrained is the long head of the triceps. This particular head will add significant volume to your upper arms from behind, really fill out your shirt sleeves and help you look more muscular in your clothes. Compound pressing and basic tricep pressing are not enough to optimally work the long head. To maximize long head development, perform triceps extensions with bent shoulders. The best long head triceps exercise is the head extension, which can be done with dumbbells, bars, easy curl bars, or cables. Experiment and find the best option for you. It covers the most important aspects of looking more muscular when it comes to building muscle. Remember that every muscle group is crucial and plays a role in helping you look bigger with clothing, but it's the major muscle groups that produce the most dramatic results. Tip 4. Don't get excessively lean. In addition to maximizing muscle development and choosing the right clothes, another important factor in making yourself look bigger is keeping your body fat levels down too low. For example, within 6% body fat. If you really want the slimmer aesthetic look, about 8 to 12% for men, you'll end up looking very impressive, strong, and muscular once your shirt comes off, but not nearly as muscular when it's on. So this is an area where you have to find the right balance. One thing's for sure, though, and that's keeping your body fat percentage around 15%. Give or take, if you want to look bigger in your clothes. Not only will extra body fat add to your overall size, but so will the added glycogen and water weight that comes from consuming more calories. Tip 5. Maintain proper posture. The last factor to consider is your posture. You certainly don't want to overdo it and walk around all day with exaggerated imaginary lot syndrome, but keeping proper posture with your chest up, neutral spine, shoulders back, and head in a neutral position will help you stand out. Your whole body is muscular compared to your weak, closed position with your shoulders and heads down. This way, you will not only look bigger and more confident in your clothes, but it will be better for your body in general. Want to look bigger in a shirt and add muscle to your outfit? Be sure to follow the steps we have mentioned in this video. Every muscle group is important, but special attention is paid to the development of the shoulders, trapezius, neck, and the long head of the triceps. Choose tight-fitting clothing with slightly shorter sleeves and a comfortable fit around the waist, but not too tight. Don't get your body fat too low. About 15% will make you look bigger in clothes while still maintaining impressive muscle definition. Maintain proper posture with your chest, shoulders back, and head in a neutral position to highlight your full body. Combine all of these steps, and it will have a very dramatic effect on how muscular you look in your shirt. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to get more informative and helpful videos. Kindly like, comment, and share our videos with your friends to support our team. Thank you, guys, for watching. Looking for more amazing videos? Check out the videos popping up on the right and the left of your screen. Hope you have a wonderful day.